Hi friends, welcome to my channel. For more Python tutorial, please subscribe my channel. Today in this video, I am going to tell about how could I count the occurrence of a list item in Python. Okay, first go to a Python terminal. For count the occurrence of a list item, first we have to create a list. Okay, a symbol list L equals okay, this is my list. Almost all the elements are repeated in this list. For counting the list item in this list, first I am going to use the inbuilt function count. Okay, the syntax for the function count is that the name of the list L dot count in braces, we have to type which the item we want to count. Here I am going to type the value 2. The answer is 3. I am going to count 1, 2, 3. Okay, here 2 is repeated in 3 times in our list. Once more, L dot count. I am going to give the item 3, 2. The answer is 2. 1, 2. Yes, the 3 is repeated twice in this list. Okay, there is once more a possible way to find the occurrence of a list item using the counter. Okay, we have to import the module counter from collections, import counter. Okay, here I am also using this list L. The syntax for using the counter is that counter in that braces the name of the list. Okay, you can see it returns a list, dictionary. Okay, here this is the key value, this is key, and this is value, and here one is it says that the 1 is repeated in 3 times in our list, and 2 is repeated 3 times in our list, and 3 repeated 2 times, 4 repeated 2 times, and 5 repeated only 1 time, 6 also 1 times. Okay, in these methods we can find the occurrence of a list item in a list in Python. Hope you guys get how can I count the occurrence of a list item in Python. If you like my video, please subscribe for more Python tutorial. Thank you.